We started this idea came about May 2016. I can remember what happened because after years and years of not shooting a long gun or a rifle anyway, I went back shooting, and that's when I realized what time can do to a man, right? So I came
Yeah.
back extremely frustrated with myself. What happened here? I can't even really shoot anymore. And I'm trying to make a long story short, man. But that same night, we're watching a movie with my wife, and a shooter pulls up a gun, a long gun, and he's resting the gun on a low wall. And I'm seeing the guy aiming that way, and I'm going like, he's got a teeter-totter right there. However much he's going to move on his buttstock, that's
Hmm.
going to happen at the muzzle.